In this lesson we're going to look at creating a biped and editing a walk cycle using Euler curves. Go ahead and create a biped in the perspective view. Select the entire biped and go to the motion panel. You see you have a quaternion Euler rollout where you can choose for any body part as well as all the body parts of the biped to be either quaternions or Eulers. Select the Euler radio button, and now all the keys that are made on our biped will give us these Euler curves. To test this out, let's make a simple walk cycle. Go ahead and select the COM object, and the first thing that we'll do is animate this. So we'll go to frame 20 and just animate this forward. And at frame 0, we'll bring it back. Select each of the feet and make a planted key for each one of them. Now at the beginning of the cycle, we can move our character down a little bit, as well as at the end. Looks like we need to adjust our feet a little bit. Select the green foot and move it back some, and the blue foot and move it forward a bit. Now what we want is for the blue foot to stay put and the green foot to make a crossover. So at about frame 10, we'll just make that crossover, and at frame 20 we'll bring this to a touch pose. Now it's pretty clear that we're going to have to lower the COM object, so at frame 20 we'll do that, and even move it back a little bit. So now we have the start of our walk cycle. We can turn off animate, and let's take a look in our curve editor. Select the green foot, right click and say curve editor. The curve editor will pop up and you'll see this little biped track view portion over in your toolbar. I've pulled it down because of the screen resolution. You can edit either the positions or rotations in the curves. So for now what we'll do is we'll edit the position of this foot. As you can see, we can select X, Y, and Z, and we'll just zoom this up slightly. And you can see with this we have a slight problem. If we scrub back and forth, there's a little bit of a glitch here at the pass, and that is represented here with our curve. So let's just go in and edit this curve so that we don't get that glitch anymore. We'll zoom in a bit, and now we can select this curve and just adjust it so that it's a smooth pass through when our character's leg pulls up and goes down. The other thing we might want to do is go in and adjust how high this foot raises. So we can go to the position Z and move it down a little bit, and you can see it updating or up. I'll choose to move it down a bit. You can also adjust the ease in and ease out with the Beziers. I hope with this simple example you can see how powerful it is to be able to edit our biped using curves.